welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys a really simple DIY mask that you can do at home using really simple ingredients and in fact natural ingredients, and it helps with your dark eye circles. And if you guys are suffering from really bad dark eye circles, it's because of either too much sleep or sleeping too little or sleeping past your bedtime. So if you improve on those issues, your eye bags should naturally reduce. But if you don't do anything about it and you just let it go, it's gonna get worse, and the worse it gets, you're gonna have a harder time getting rid of it. So if you have eye bags, like, do something to reduce it and get rid of it earlier so that you don't suffer from major dark eye bags or dark eye circles in the long run. So I'm going to share with you guys the ingredients now in my kitchen. Alright guys, so I'm back now. I show you guys how I made the eye mask, and just store it in a small container like this. And once you're done applying it to under your eyes, leave it overnight and then wash it off the next morning. And you can keep the leftovers in the fridge for about a week so that the ingredients don't get spoiled out. When you make yourself this product, make it in tiny quantities so that you don't waste any, because you're using natural products, so it does get expired. So keep that in mind. So all I'm going to do now is take a little bit and apply it on the areas where I have really dark eye circles. If you feel uncomfortable leaving this overnight, you can at least leave it till it dries off and then wash it away. But I prefer applying this overnight for the best result. So if you already suffer from really bad under eyes, do give this a try and let me know how it went for you, because trust me, natural products are way better than chemicals out there. So try this out before going out and getting any expensive eye creams. Just store this in the fridge. I hope you guys liked this small DIY video, and if you guys liked it, make sure you leave a thumbs up so I know you guys prefer watching these type of videos, and I will do more of such videos. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.